Action.
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to be opening some Shopkins.
Season 4. Why? Right?
We already said that too many times. So that's why I'm not saying it anymore.
Just simply open it.
Open it very simple. And all you need is scissor box. I don't know what I'm talking. Scissor box is this. You need to cut open the little bottom. You'll put it on the cover, and then that's what you call a scissor box. A box. Scissor box. It came out already. Like it's broken again. They forgot to seal it. Duplicate.
Good. Just send us a message and we will give it away.
Can I next time just paint these parts? Pink. What's your favorite color? Pink or purple, yellow, red. You can only pick 4 colors. Pink, yellow, purple, white. Which? Pink, yellow, purple, white, or orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Now let's open the other one. Open. Oh no, I know what it is.
Say how to duplicate.
Like these two again.
Again.
I hate it.
Yeah, you're so lucky yours get duplicate. So your friends will be lucky to get free of charge.
I already seen these before. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.
And
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us the thumbs up. And hope you get a duplicate again, Audrey.
no more duplication. They make so much money from us, right?
Yeah. Well, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram.